Welcome to this detailed tutorial on adding a homepage to your WordPress account. In this guide, you will learn how to set up a static homepage using your WordPress account with clear and easy to follow instructions. Begin by navigating to the WordPress website. When the page loads, take a moment to become familiar with the interface before proceeding further. Once you have reached the WordPress site, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Clicking on this option will initiate your entry into the management area of your website. This is an essential step because it ensures that you have the proper credentials to access all the settings available for editing and customizing your site. After clicking the login button, you will see an option labeled Continue with Google. This is the streamlined method provided by WordPress to log in securely using your Google account. Simply click on Continue with Google and choose the Google account you wish to use if prompted. This method is designed to save time and enhance security while making the sign-in process user-friendly. Upon successfully logging in, you will be directed to your WordPress dashboard. The next part of the process involves accessing the site settings, which is crucial for making any modifications to your site structure. In the dashboard menu, locate and click on the Settings section. This step will take you to various site settings that allow you to manage content, design, and overall site behavior. Within the settings menu, navigate to the option labeled Reading. The reading settings are where you determine how your site's front page is displayed. This section governs what visitors see when they first come to your site, whether it is a list of your latest posts or a specific static page that showcases your essential content. By accessing these settings, you can customize your site to create a lasting first impression. Scroll through the reading settings and look for the area titled Your Homepage Displays. Here you are presented with a choice that will let you select a static page instead of having your latest post automatically shown. Choosing a static page gives you control over the exact content that appears on the homepage, ensuring that visitors see the welcome message or critical information you want them to see first. Once you have selected the option to use a static page, the next action is to choose which page will serve as your homepage. If you have already created multiple pages on your WordPress site, a drop-down menu will allow you to select the one that best suits your needs as a homepage. Make sure you select the page that is most relevant to your visitors and embodies what your website is all about. The final step in this process is to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the reading settings page and look for the Save Changes button. Clicking this button confirms and applies all the configurations you have just made. It is important to save your work to ensure that your new homepage setup is properly registered on your WordPress site. By following these clear and straightforward instructions, you have successfully added a homepage to your WordPress site. This process not only enhances the appearance of your website, but also provides a more structured navigation experience for your audience. After saving your changes, take a moment to visit your site and verify that your chosen homepage is displayed correctly. Enjoy the enhanced control over your site's layout and continue to build a compelling online presence with WordPress.